Okay, now this question, let's try to do. And here also you have to use alternate segment theorem, right? Now I will explain that person. Now think when you have this way circle, right? This way circle. If you make tangent to that circle, right, like this way, right, and at this tangent point, if you make a chord like this way, right, now this time actually when you have this type of situation, you can consider two alternate angle. Actually this angle equal like that, but okay, first of all I will explain what is this. Now here tangent, this is the chord. Between this tangent and the chord, that means this angle or this angle, right, it doesn't matter. Then you have to consider other way, but okay, I will explain that. Now this angle, that means this chord and the tangent between this angle, this will be equal to this chord subtended angle the other direction, that means this way, right, this way. I try to understand. This angle will be equal to this angle here. Try to understand. Now this is the tangent, this is the chord. This between this tangent and this chord, here we have angle. No, this angle will be equal to this chord subtended this direction, this way, at the circumference, right, this way, this angle here. Same way, what the other thing, now if you consider this has chord and this is the angle between chord and the tangent, this angle, it will be equal to this chord subtended this direction, this way, right, this chord here, right, if I make roughly, this will be equal to this angle. Same way, this big this angle will be equal to this one, right, this obtuse angle will be equal to this one. It's like that. So here also you have that type of situation, right? Now this is the tangent, even this is tangent, right? This tangent, right, let's reconsider this one. Now this tangent here we have a chord at this tangent point. We have this chord AD, this chord AD chord. Now this AD chord subtended angle here 100, no, right? This angle will be equal to between the angle with this chord and this tangent, that means this angle here, right, this angle. Try to understand that connection, right? This angle will be equal to this angle, right? This is our chord, this chord subtended angle here 100. That angle will be equal to the angle between chord and the tangent, this one, right? If there was here also even this is chord, you can consider this also chord, and even this is chord, right, at the same 2 point, this one, then this angle will be equal to, if this chord subtended some kind of angle here, then that will be equal to this one. But here it's like that, alternate segment theorem mean like that. But here try to understand, this is the angle between tangent and the chord, this one, this obtuse, this big one, this will be equal to the same chord subtended angle at circumference this direction, normally opposite of this chord, this one and this one, right? These two will be equal. Okay, now that means I can write here 100, right? Okay, if this is 100, this will be, right, okay, I will mark it using another color like this way. This will be equal to what, this, this is a straight line, so if this 100, this will be 80, right? This will be 80, right? That will be 80. And also now these two tangent, no, EB and EC tangent, no. So we discussed in a previous question also like this. When you have circle from external point, if you make two tangent like this way, right, if you make two tangent like this way, these two distance, that means this from this tangent point to the external point, this distance, this length will be equal to this external point here, what the tangent point with this, these two will be equal. That means from this external point to this tangent point, and same again this external point to this tangent point, these two will be equal, right? So this will be isosceles triangle. Here also like that. If you consider AE, this one will be equal to ED, because this is the external point. It make two tangent to this circle, so that's why these two side equal. That mean if you consider this as 80, this also will be 80. Try to understand that in this EAD triangle, ADE triangle, this one, this two angle will be equal, right? Because ADE is a isosceles triangle, right? Then you can write what the, now this is when you consider ADE triangle, this is 80, this is 80, this plus x will be 180, interior angle of a triangle. So you can write what the 80 plus 80 plus x will be equal to 180, like that. This angle plus this angle plus this, right? So here will be 160, here x, here 180. So 160 be into here, so 180 minus 160, so here x will be 20 degrees. That's the answer for x.